Hi boys and girls, we are going to be working on 5-5. If you came to class today for 5-5, then you do not need to watch this video. This is for only people who were not able to make it to math class, or if you didn't understand. So what we're looking at is a big old number line, and on our number line, we have groups of 10. So this is from 30 all the way to 40, all the way to 50. And on our number line, there's little jumps for each dot or for each number. Now what we're going to do is rounding. And one way I like to think of rounding is kind of like thinking of building a big roller coaster on the top of this. I'm going to show you what my roller coaster might look like. Now, if I had a number line like this, my number on the bottom is 30 and my number on the other side is 40. All right, so I'm going to draw my number line, or my roller coaster, on the other page. And I'm going to say 30s down here and 40s down here. Now, these numbers will change depending on what you're rounding to. So then I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is at the top because it's right in the middle. 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I think of this little car on a roller coaster, they're like, woohoo! Or they're scared. If I say the number was 33, I would have to round backwards to 30. And the reason is because the car would fall back down the hill. If my number was, in my car, was 36. Let's say my number was 36. Look at, here's my 6. It would be, my car would be here. I would round closer to the 40. Now, if I look at my number line, I like to circle the groups of 10 so it doesn't confuse me. So circle these on your worksheet right now. 30, 40, and 50. Those are your groups of 10. So what I'd like you to do now is, let's look at the number 34. We have to look, here it is right here. Is 34 closer to 30? Or is 34 closer to 40? It looks to me like this line is a little shorter. So the answer is 30. It's closer. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, it's only 4 away. If I counted this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 6 away. So it must be closer to the 30. So the answer would be 30. Let's do the next one. This one says 38. Let's look at the 38. Is the 38 closer to the 40 or closer to the 30? Wow, it's definitely closer to the 40. So we write 40. Okay, now let's work on the next one. My number is 36. All right, so 36 is right here. Is it closer to the 30 or is it closer to the 40? If you're not sure, then count your hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one had 6. Which one is less? It is definitely closer to the 40. So we're going to write a 40. All right, my next one is 49. Is 49 closer? Here's the number 49. Is 49 closer to 50 or is it closer to 40? Definitely closer to 50. All right, and last one. Here we go, 42. Find 42. Here it is. Is 42 closer to the 40 or closer to the 50? Definitely closer to the 40. Now this one is tricky because if I think of my roller coaster and I erase my guys, the 5 is exactly, oh no, my 5 is exactly at the top of my roller coaster. What happens if my roller coaster car is right here at the tip? Can you picture it? If you're at the very top of the mountain, you're looking down and you're going to go down that hill. So you're going to round to the next biggest number, to the 40. If I think of it like this, my 45, it's exactly in the middle. If I count my hops, it's 5 away from here and it's 5 away from this side. So that means we're always going to round up, because if it's 5 or above, we give it a shove like this. The 5, if it's 5 or above, it's going to shove to the next number, which is 40. If it's 4 or below, we let it go and it stays at the 30. So 45 rounds up to 50. All right, I'm going to have, if you could push pause, I want you to work on number 5, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. You're going to cross out those two. You're not going to do them. And I want you to check your answers to see if you did it correctly. When you push play again, all the answers will appear. So you do this work first. All right, friends, for the rest of your work, your homework, you're going to X out this top part for 5, 5. You only do the bottom part and the back page. All right, have a great rest of your day.